Apple may have just suffered one of the biggest product leaks in its history. And this isn't just another set of renders or blurry prototype photos. Alleged real-world images, internal documents, and even drop-test videos of the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro have surfaced online, giving us what could be our best look yet at Apple's next flagship. The leak comes just days after Apple's manufacturing partner, Tata Electronics, confirmed that it had been hit by a major cyber attack. Soon after, well-known leakers including Ice Universe, Evan Blass, EV Leaks, and Majin Buu began sharing screenshots and videos that reportedly show the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max during Apple's internal durability testing, claiming the footage reveals Apple's private drop testing process. According to Reuters, the cyber attack may have exposed more than 200,000 confidential files linked to Apple. The stolen data reportedly includes engineering documents, supplier information, component lists, and prototype images of the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. Several of those files are said to reveal details about the phone's logic board, battery, camera modules, and other internal components. The documents also reportedly carry Apple's confidential markings and internal project codenames, making this one of the most significant Apple-related data breaches in recent years. Tata Electronics has become one of Apple's key manufacturing partners as the company continues expanding production in India. Following the breach, Tata announced that it had restricted access to affected systems and brought in cybersecurity experts to investigate. Reports also suggest Apple is now working closely with Tata to strengthen security and prevent similar incidents in the future. Now let's talk about the phone itself. If these leaked videos are authentic, don't expect a dramatic redesign. The iPhone 18 Pro looks very similar to the current iPhone 17 Pro. It retains the flat-sided frame, centered USB-C port, and the familiar triple camera setup on the back. That said, there are a few noticeable changes. The rear camera module appears slightly taller, while the individual camera rings look thicker than before. This could be Apple's way of accommodating larger camera sensors or upgraded optics, which aligns with earlier rumors suggesting photography will be one of the biggest improvements this year. The leaked device also appears in a silver or gray finish with a soft matte texture. Some reports suggest Apple could switch back to a titanium frame after using aluminum on the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. If true, that would be a meaningful upgrade, improving both durability and the premium feel. Another subtle change is the back panel itself. The two-tone finish seen on the iPhone 17 Pro seems to be gone, replaced by a cleaner, single-color design that gives the phone a more refined appearance. The leaked drop test footage also suggests the device is built to take a beating. Ice Universe claims the phone looks extremely durable, although it also appears slightly thicker and heavier than some competing flagship phones. It looks like Apple is focusing on refinement rather than reinvention. Expect better cameras, stronger materials, improved durability, and a handful of visual upgrades instead of a completely new design. One thing buyers should prepare for, however, is a possible price increase, as rising memory and component costs could make the iPhone 18 Pro Apple's most expensive flagship yet. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 18 series? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple news and leaks.